Did you know that long before toothpaste and bleach, the ancient Romans had some truly unconventional solutions for daily hygiene and cleaning? Prepare to have your mind blown by their resourceful, albeit startling, practices. Believe it or not, ancient Romans actually used human urine as mouthwash. The key ingredient was ammonia, which forms as urine ages. They discovered that gargling with this ammonia-rich liquid helped whiten their teeth and maintain oral health. Roman poet Catullus even mocked a man for using Spanish urine for its superior whitening properties, highlighting just how common, yet sometimes ridiculed, this practice was. But their use of urine didn't stop at oral hygiene. It was also a cornerstone of their textile industry. Specialized laundries called philoniki employed fullers who used stale urine to clean and bleach clothing, especially wool. Imagine workers literally stomping on garments in large vats filled with urine and water, using their feet as human washing machines to break down grease and dirt with the ammonia. This liquid gold was so valuable that Emperor Vespasian famously imposed a tax on its collection and distribution. When his son Titus questioned the morality of profiting from such an unsavory source, Vespasian reportedly replied with the iconic phrase, "Pecunia non olet," money doesn't stink. This solidified urine's status as a crucial economic commodity in the Roman Empire. From whitening teeth to industrial-scale laundry, and even contributing to state revenue, ancient Romans transformed what we consider waste into an indispensable resource. Their pragmatic approach to recycling, driven by the chemical power of ammonia, truly highlights the ingenuity and surprising adaptability of ancient civilizations. It makes you think differently about what we consider valuable, doesn't it? Want to learn more fascinating facts that will make you question everything? Visit Sikho.ai and keep exploring.